Namaskar. I welcome all of you to the 23rd episode of Degree Calculations. It is my 179th video. For receiving my all videos, please type Joseph Jude Kanatte Nicolas in searching bar. Last 22 episodes, we were studying about making different types of developments which is related with the fabrication jobs. So I don't describe those all now. Whatever I taught last time, it's remaining. I can teach you now. Otherwise, we may lose time. Last episode, we completed our studies to make developments of a core. So I don't tell about it. You can watch those videos. Since today, we have to study about making cones if it is having a cut in its center. If it is having a cut, it will have a cone which will have this much of length width only. It means we have to avoid this top portion. Avoided this top portion, and I have written only this portion below. Since today we will studying about this kind of cones. I have given measurement to it. Last episode I have described about it, so I don't say more about it. For making this kind of one cone, first of all we have to get the round of, first of all we have to get its round, one round we have to draw. How much should be the radius of the round? Everybody knows those episodes I have taught you. It will be the length from here to, not from here to the center point, wherever if we extend this line, it will reach approximately here. If we extend this line, it will reach approximately here. This extension lines I have indicated in this drawing. If we extend, it will reach here. This is the length of the round we have to make as a development. Development's radius will be from here to here. So you can watch last episode and you will find out. For finding out this measurement, we have to use trigonometrical calculations. For that purpose, we made a triangle like this. For making this triangle, we used a line from this corner to here. That line is this line. And we made another line from the center to here. That line is this line. Afterwards, we made one line from here to here. That line is this line. These three lines we joined it together and we made a triangle. This is triangle, and we calculated this 1044 last episode, so I don't describe about it. We calculated and we found out this degree 66.9929. Last episode I have described about it, so I don't describe about it. So if we have got these two measurements, we can easily find out this hypotenuse. For that purpose, which formula we have to use it? Everybody knows it. Three formulas I have taught you: sin theta, cos theta, tan theta. In these three formulas, we will have to use cos theta. Last episode I have told you its formula is adjacent side by hypotenuse, and we gave measurements to this formula. Instead of theta or instead of degree, we gave the degree measurement 66.9929, and we gave measurement to adjacent side, that is 1044. So I don't describe those all because those ones I have described last time. With these measurements and with this equation, we can find out h, hypotenuse. For that purpose, we have to take 1044 to the left side of this is equal to. When we take this 1044 to left side, if it has been multiplied here, it will be divided here. If it has been divided here, it will be multiplied here. If it has been added here, it will be subtracted here. If it has been subtracted here, it will be added here. Those all I have told you. So if now it is, if it is in top side, it will reach in bottom side. If it is in bottom side, it will reach in tops. If it is in bottom side, it will reach in top side. So everything will be in the opposite way. So now this 1044 is in the top side. So when we take this 1044 to the left side of is equal to, it will reach in the bottom side of this cos 66.9929. That I have indicated it here. Bottom of this cos 66.9929, I have indicated 1044. We took 1044 from here to here, then it reached left side. Then what remains there? 1 remains there. I don't describe about this one because in so many episodes I have described about it. Now if I tell about it, we will be losing time. We have to study a lot of lessons related with the fabrication developments. So just watch my last episodes and find out why should we write this one here. Okay, now there is no need for us to find out 1 by h. We have to find out h. We have to find out hypotenuse. For that purpose, what we have to do? We will have to turn it from here to this side. It means if it is in bottom side, it has to reach in top side. If this is in top side, it has to reach in bottom side. If we just change its position from top to bottom and bottom to top, same operation we have to do in left side also. It means 1044 has to reach in top side and cos 66.9929 has to reach in bottom side. I have written it here. It has been turned from top to bottom, and another measurement, this measurement has reached here from bottom to top. Same thing happened here also. 1 by h has become h by 1. H by 1 is h, everybody knows. If we divide one measurement with 1, it will be the same measurement. If we divide 10 with 1, 10 by 1 will be always 10. If we divide 20 with 1, always it will be 20. If we divide h with 1, h by 1 will be h. So I have written here h. Instead of h by 1, we can write h. So we got h. What is h? H is 1044 divided by cos 66.9929. Just switch on your scientific calculator and find out 1044 divided by cos 66.9929. Just switch on it. 1044 divided by cos 66.9929. Cos 66.9929. Then is equal to, we got the measurement 2671.1. We got the measurement 2671.1. So we got h as 2671.1. What is this h? Its full form is hypotenuse. Where is this h from? This is h. From here to here is h. We got this measurement hypotenuse as 2671.1. This is that h, that is 2671.1. If we have got this 2671.1, we can make a round. this measurement 2671.1. Once again I have drawn one triangle, same triangle I have marked here, I have drawn here, and I have written 2671.1. What is this 2671.1? It has to be used as the radius of cone. Radius of the development will be 2671.1. For teaching you it properly, and if it has to be underlined in your mind, this triangle once again I have drawn here. Its diameter is 2088 and its hypotenuse, this measurement from the bottom to the corner, top side will be 2671. If we make a round with 2671.1, first step will be completed. It means for making development we have to make one round. It's certain portion we have to use. It's, if we do it, our development's certain portion, certain work will be completed. So first of all we can make one round with the radius of 2671.1. That radius I have drawn here. With 2671.1 I have drawn a round. It's a certain portion will be our development. So it may be from here to here and here to here and here to here. So first step we have drawn, it's a certain portion of round. Now we have to find out, if we start this perimeter from here, how much it will be its length. For finding out what we have to use trigonometrical calculations. I have taught you in last some episodes. Once again we shall remember about it. For that purpose we have used the formula major perimeter divided by minor perimeter is equal to major degree divided by minor degree. This one also there is no need for me to teach you again, but somebody may be listening this video the first time. For them, I just to repeat it. This MP means, capital letter MP means major perimeter. That is the perimeter of this full round. It starts from here and it makes full rotation and it ends here. That is major perimeter divided by minor perimeter, MP, minor perimeter. It has been indicated in running letter only. That is a small perimeter. It isn't having more length. It just starts from here and it ends here. Same way, however we have studied about major perimeter divided by minor perimeter, those area will be covered when we consider about major degree divided by minor degree. Major perimeter covers the area from here to here. It means one full rotation. Major degree also will be covered certain degree. It means in this line 1 degree starts from here. For making one round we need 1 degree. Everybody knows that degree will be 360 degree. So major degree will be 360 degree always. And what is this minor degree? That has been indicated in running letter. However, I had indicated minor perimeter in running letter. Minor perimeter is the perimeter, that is a small perimeter. It starts from here and it ends here. If it is so, this minor degree also will be starting from this line and it will be ending here. That degree will be the degree in between these two lines. So what does it mean? If this minor perimeter, if 2 times big is this major perimeter, it will be equal to major degree divided by minor degree also. If this major perimeter is 2 times bigger than minor perimeter, this major degree also will be 2 times bigger than minor degree. If this major perimeter is 4 times bigger than this small perimeter or minor perimeter, same way we can say about major degree by minor degree here. This major perimeters, the major degree will be 4 times bigger than this minor degree also. So we can just calculate this. For finding out perimeter, we have to use the formula pi d. Everybody knows it. It may be major perimeter, it may be minor perimeter. Anyway, for finding out perimeter, we have to use the formula pi d. Here capital letter is there, so writing pi d, I have used the letters pi d. Here minor perimeter is in running letter, so here I have used the letters, running letters. What is the difference between these two? Here pi is 3.14, I have written it here 3.14. Here is a pi is 3.14, I have written it here 3.14. Here d, capital D means what is it? It is this pi d, top side pi d indicates the perimeter of major perimeter. Major perimeter is starting from here and it ends here. If we have to find out that, we have to use the formula pi d. Pi we know about it. What is the d degree? What is the diameter? It shouldn't be 2671.1 because it is radius only. Diameter will be, it's 2 times big. Otherwise 2671.1 has to be added one more time. Another way we can say 2671.1 has to be multiplied with the 2. So we can use 2671.1 into 2. I have written it here. 2671.1 into 2. It means this is diameter. These two will be multiplied together and then it will become diameter. If we use this measurement only, it will be radius only. So for finding out pi d, we have to use 3.14 for pi, and for d diameter 2671.1 into 2. So we go to this measurements. We have to get this running letter pi into d. How will we be finding out? Running letter pi d is the perimeter of minor perimeter. Everybody knows minor perimeter starts from here and it ends here. It is a small perimeter. Its pi is 3.14, but its diameter, how much is this diameter? What is this perimeter? This perimeter we will get after making our cone. We will make this kind of one cone. If we make this kind of one cone, if it is having a diameter of 2088, for finding out this 2088 diameter cone, we need a perimeter. That perimeter is from here to here. We will mark, we will cut, afterwards we will bend it or we will roll it. Then it will become this kind of one cone which is having a diameter of 2088. So this is the diameter 2088. Before rolling, before bending, its shape will be approximate like this. So finding out this perimeter, we have to use the formula pi into d. Pi is 3.14, d is 2088. So I have used, for pi into d, I have used 3.14 into 2088. Diameter is 2088. Everybody knows 2088 diameter. If we use these two measurements, if we divide these two measurements, we will get 16,783 divided by 6,559.6. Just do it in your calculator. $16,783 16,783 divided by 6,559.6. 6,559.6. Then we get one measurement 2,500 and 2.5585. We got measurement 2.5585. We divided 16,783 divided by 6,559.6. Then we got 2.5585. What is this? What does it mean? This perimeter will be approximate 2.5 times bigger than this perimeter. This perimeter will be, this big perimeter will be approximate 2.5 times bigger than the small perimeter. This kind of 2.5585 times bigger perimeter has to be done, has to be drawn for making this kind of one perimeter. If it is so, degree also will be same. This degree is approximate 2.5585 times big will be great will be this degrees 2.55 times 5585 times bigger than will be this major degree. So here with pi major perimeter divided by minor perimeter, I have written major degree by minor degree. Here also with this measurement I have written major degree divided by minor degree. Here there was enough place, so I didn't write major is equal to major degree divided by minor degree. Even if it is so, with this measurement I have written here major degree divided by minor degree is equal to this measurement. Whatever we get this from this measurement, that will be the same measurement we will get when we divide this measurement with this measurement. So if its answer is 2.5585, this measurement's answer also will be 2.5585. So with this measurement, major degree divided by minor degree, we can find out minor degree. Already we have major degree. Everybody knows major degree, that is the big degree, will be 360 degree. So we can use this formula, major degree divided by minor degree is equal to 2.5585. I have written it here. Major degree divided by minor degree is equal to 2.5585. For finding out these measurements, all values can be given. MD, capital major degree is 360. We have given that measurement, and minor degree we have it to find out. So write there running letter MD. 360 divided by minor degree is equal to 2.5585. For mathematical calculations, if we have to find out minor degree, we have to keep a minor degree here, and we have to take 360 to this side. If it is in top side, then it will reach in bottom side. I have written it here. When we take this 360 from here to here, what will remain here? 1 will remain here. That has been indicated here. 1 remains here. And when we take this 360 from here to here, what will happen? 360 will reach in the bottom side of this 2.5585. That has been indicated here. So 1 by MD is equal to 2.5585 divided by 360. There is no need for us to calculate and find out 1 by MD. We have to find out MD by 1. It means we have to turn it from top to bottom and bottom to top. If we do this operation in the left side of this equal to, same operations we have to do it in the right side also. So I am just changing 1 by MD to MD by 1. If it is so, I have to just change 2.5585 divided by 360 to 360 divided by 2.5585. MD by 1 and MD both are same. Everybody knows. So we can calculate MD, that is 360 divided by 2.5585. What is 360 divided by 2.5585? Just take your calculator and find out 360 divided by 2.5585. It will be 140.7174. 360 divided by 2.5585. 360